Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. Ayan, so I hope you are all doing well, strong and healthy, Virgo. This is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality sa gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay? So let's see your energy, Virgo, for this week. Ano yung energy ng mga Virgo? Oops! Wow, the Tower. Ano ito? May bigla ang ganap. Pwedeng related sa bahay ninyo. It's like you are saving something pero parang wala kang magawa. No? It is beyond your control. So let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? Nine of Cups. As a challenge, maaring nahihirapan kayong maging masaya sa sitwasyon na to. Of course, because there is something na very important sa'yo na maaring hindi na siya kagaya dati na reliable. So, para siyang isang appliance, no, sa bahay. Halimbawa, yung inyong electric fan na matagal na, ilang taon na sa bahay ninyo. And hindi nyo tinatapon or hindi nyo kahit nasisira na, kahit sira na, you still try to fix it, no, hanggat sa dulo ng makakaya ninyo. And dumating na yung point na nag-give up na yung electric fan, no, hindi na niya kaya. So I feel like yung iba sa inyo maaring energy nyo to na parang even if how hard you are trying to fix a situation, parang wala ka lang magagawa because it is meant to end. Okay? So, sa ngayon, challenge siya sa inyo na maging masaya. May mga times na parang hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung mga ibang bagay sa paligid nyo. So, what is your opportunity? Ano yung opportunity? Oh my gosh. O, diba? Death card. This is a new beginning. Ending sa new beginning. Transformation. Yes. So, example na lang dito is, halimbawa may lumang bahay. So, syempre, bago natin matayuan yung lote na yon, yung lumang bahay na yon kailangan sirain para matayuan ng bago. So, ganun yung energy niyan for you. Something has to end for a new start para may magsimula. And you have the opportunity to begin something. Pwedeng you might be walking away from a situation na pinilit mong ayusin pero alam mo sa sarili mo na wala ka nang magawa, you know. And it's time to let it go. What is the blessing? 5 of Swords. As a blessing, ikaw yung mananalo rito, no? Ikaw yung mananalo sa laban kasi ang 5 of Swords is like a competition. And naging blessing siya for you. So, I feel like there are some blessings in disguise na you will experience during this time na akala mo talo ka pero in the end, ikaw paling nanalo. Okay? And then, let's see your recent past. What is the recent past for Virgo? 6 of Cups. Maaring meron kayong sinubukang ayusing relationship from the past. na you're really wanting na na isalba, no? Yung connection na yon. This can be a friendship. This can be a romantic connection. Pwede rin sa family. What is your present moment? Present moment. Present energy. Queen of Pentacles. This is pagiging practical sa buhay. Okay? So ngayon, you are finally realizing the important things in your life. Okay? And that is the present moment. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. So, let's see your future. Near future for Virgo. Four of Pentacles, this is financial stability. Alam niyo, ang nakikita ko rito is, specific message. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang i-let go na bahay, tirahan, lupain, property. Okay? Para may maisalba kayo na ibang bagay na mas importante. So, yung iba, example, meron kayong hinuhulugang sasakyan, pero for some reasons, nahirapan kayong hulugan yung sasakyan na yon. So, you might be giving that up para mas gumaan yung mga responsibilities ninyo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, yung tipong gusto nyo mag-business, pero wala kayong pampuhunan. So, you need to make some sacrifices like to sell some properties para maging puhunan ninyo. And eventually, yung sisimulan nyo na yon na project, negosyo ay magiging successful. And in the end, ikaw pa rin yung panalo. No? Kailangan lang ng sacrifice. Okay? So, that's what I'm seeing for you. Let's see what else for Virgo. Listen up. You are working through deep soul patterns. Release any outdated beliefs that resurface. See, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo you are still holding on to that you have to let go of. Kasi it's beyond your control. You are meant to transform, to change. Ground your energies and emotions deep into the earth. So, ang grounding kasi is releasing those emotions, energies na alam mong hindi na nakakapagpagaan ng pakiramdam mo. So, you might need to go out, like literal, maglakad-lakad ka ng nakayapak, no, sa ground to release that energy. Yung negative energies, para mas ma-relax ka. Space. Alam niyo, Virgo, you are really letting go of something, someone, a situation during this week. The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. So, give yourself the gift of space. Yes. Pwedeng literal na decluttering, paglilinis ng bahay. Yung mga hindi nyo na ginagamit, ibebenta nyo na para maging pera or ipapamigay nyo para may charitable work rin kayo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.